how you doing? Today I'm working on my 2005 Chevy Tahoe. I came up to look at some campers and, well, water pump decided to say bye. You have 4 bolts that I see so far. 2 on the left side, 2 on the right side. Looks like this water pump houses your thermostat as well. Don't know why they do it, but that's the way they do it. So while you're here, it's best to just get another water pump. This way you don't, or another water pump and thermostat while you're here. This way you're not doing this again in, say, 2 to 3 months. So what I have so far, I'll show you. So this is what I have so far. I took these 2 bolts out, and then down over on the other side there's 2 more. Here's one here, and the other one's up in this corner here. Now I gotta take this hose off, your thermostat housing. The top of the thermostat housing is right here. Then you take your 2 rear heater lines off. Let's see if I can get you focused in here. There you go. So you got that line, and that line you gotta take off, and then that should be it. Now, you will have to take your tensioner pulley off, which are these 2 bolts here. These are 10 mil, by the way. I'm going to say those are probably 1/2 inch. I don't know, I haven't touched those yet, as you can see. So you got that one there, and that one there. There are 3 bolts on this side, on your right side, or the driver's side of the vehicle, and there are 3 on the left side too, or the passenger side of the vehicle. So, like I said, your thermostat is part of this. Like I said, I bought a new one because I'm already here. I'm just going to basically put this in the reversal of taking it out. So, let me get it back in. I'll be right back and I'll show you what it looks like. Well, I got it on. Wasn't too bad getting it on. Like I said, I changed the water pump and the thermostat together because they are in one unit. It's just easier that way. So now, if you look down here, this top hose is on, and these clamps are those squeeze styles, and they're such a pain right in the butt. This one's on, and the other 2 are on. And next thing I gotta do is put my belt back on and start filling it up. Right now I'm just gonna run a little bit of water, and then I'm gonna fill it up with coolant later on. I just want to make it home. I'm like an hour away from home, and I gotta get there. So let me get the belt back on and fill this up with water, and hopefully I can make it home. But hey, if you want to see if I make it home, stay tuned. And subscribe for more. Have a good one.